Welcome friends, come with me to Shape Town.
1, 2, 3.
Clap your hands and sing along.
Shapes are fun all day long. I'm Sammy Square.
Look at me, 4 straight sides.
1, 2, 3.
Windows, boxes, doors so neat. Strong and steady, nice and sweet.
Square, square, count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hey! Shapes, shapes everywhere. Look around, they're here and there. Circles, squares, triangles too. So many shapes for me and you. Clap, clap, shout hooray! Learning shapes is fun today. Hi, ha ha ha, hi, ha ha ha.
Here comes Cindy rolling round, smooth and curvy, no sides found. Like the sun up in the sky, or the wheels that roll on by.
Round and round, watch her go. Everybody say hello. Shapes, shapes everywhere. Look around, they're here and there. Circles, squares, triangles too. So many shapes for me and you. Clap, clap, shout hooray! Learning shapes is fun today. Hi, ha ha ha.
Tommy triangle, point up high. 3 straight sides reaching the sky. Roofs and mountains, strong and tall. Count his sides, let's count them all.
1, 2, 3. Triangles for you and me.
I'm a rectangle, long and wide. Doors and books by your side. Tall or flat, I fit just right. Helping you from day to night.
Stretch your arms long and wide. Rectangles are found worldwide.
Olivia Oval, soft and round. Eggs and faces can be found. Danny Diamond shines so bright.
Kites and jewels full of light.
Every shape has a place to be.
Shapes are fun for you and me. Shapes, shapes all around. In our world they can be found. Squares, circles, triangles, too. Rectangles, ovals, diamonds. Woo! Clap, clap, shout hooray! We learned our shapes today. Hooray! Hooray! Ha ha ha, ha ha ha.
Look around wherever you go. Shapes are things you'll always know. Thanks for singing, come and play.
See you